Alright, let's see what's going on. Is YouTube going to work? No, yeah, it is. Oh, great. There we go. Mean. Alright. I'm here. I'm here. I'm doing it. I don't know how, but I'm streaming. Alright. So, okay. Where are we at? I need more music. I need louder music. Hey, what's up, Cody? How you going, my friends? Good to see you. How's your little yo, Big Rick's towing. Hey man, how's it going? Damn, that one follower closer to that 20 goal. Focus mode engaged, is that always just there now? Of course, man. It's like, it's my focus mode is always engaged. I need to put that there to kind of keep myself accountable. That's like, otherwise I might lose focus. Like I might start talking with people in chat instead of actually doing productive stuff. You know how it is. Yeah, self-reminder. And if I don't read it, then somebody else will. So anyway, so just to dox him a little bit, Big Rick's towing, who just chat sounds. Yeah, I don't know if that's annoying or not. Actually, I kind of had that turned on, but I actually at first I didn't realize it was coming through the stream, but then I was like, oh, all right. This music's keeping me going. Some DMCA free rock and synthwave. It's good. Anyway, so yeah, Big Rick's towing is in real life. You're a work colleague, eh? That's what we call you, Big Rick. You should jump on, like, we should get on a call or something and, like, we could talk, but that's up to you. Or you can just chill out. Just a work colleague. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. How's your project going, Cody? As for me, I'm back into this again. You have a towing job for him? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. If anyone's going to be towing the line, it's going to be him. I don't know. Do you have Discord? Big Rick? Do I call you? I can call you your real name, can't I? You don't care. You do. Yeah, because Discord might be the go. Go on docs here. Alright, Sam. Yeah. So, anyway, where was I? So, anyway, like, so this whole thing, which I made seem way harder than it needed to be last time I was doing this, got to get this Ussemble site up and running. Got to get it up and running. So I'm pretty sure last time I ran this, I've totally changed my development server now, so I'm on something more powerful. So it should build better, faster, stronger, etc. All right. Oh, and Sam, you're gonna need to, if you are gonna jump on a call, you are going to need to mute whatever you're listening on, because it's gonna feed back otherwise. But yeah. Anyway, let's go. Start voice call. You'll even use headphones. Damn. I don't know how loud this is going to be, so just we'll just see how it goes. Hello? Oh yeah, cool. That's already not working. So, main voice and video settings, speaker. Ah, that'd be why. That would be why. Stand by. Highly technical stuff here. Gotta wait till my Bluetooth. I can't believe I use frickin'. There we go. Hello? Is that working?
Hello?
Yay! There you are.
Is it working?
It is, yes. Good stuff.
Sweet.
What's up?
Oh, not much.
And you can hear me okay?
I can. You're a bit scratchy, but it's all right. I can hear you.
It's kind of weird. All right. Awesome. Yeah. So, I made it. Yeah, I didn't know if I was going to stream tonight because, man, I was so tired today. Unbelievable. Yeah. But anyway, here I am. Here we are. Let's get this thing live. Maybe we can do it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's hard to find the enthusiasm sometimes.
Oh, man. You do a day of work and the last, like, it is just about the environment. It's like getting yourself sitting back at the computer coding. It's like, oh, it's the hardest thing sometimes. Anyway, it makes me resentful, you know, but it's good. I'm here now and it's good and this is fun. So, yeah. Anyway, so what I did last time, I was just getting this, I was trying to bring it up on Docker. So I got, you know, our good friend Caddy has a little easy little server, PHP FPM running on its own. This is kind of weird how this works. So like, I don't know, we usually run PHP FPM on the same server as the actual web server like Nginx and stuff. The way it does it in Docker like this is actually PHP FPM runs in its own container in the service, and Caddy like passes the requests through to PHP FPM, and then yeah, I don't know, it's really weird, but anyway, Postgres database, Redis server, a whole bunch of data volumes, keep everything sorted. So in theory, I should just be able to run this, and it should work first time. So we'll see what happens. I think I've already got some of these images downloaded for another thing I was doing. So let's go. So Docker compose up. Hey Deceiver, thanks. Who's Deceiver? Wait, Deceiver? I recognize that name. Do I know you?
I reckon you might, eh?
Yeah, I think I do. What's up, man? How you going? Geez, you should jump in on Discord as well. That'll be fun. Sam pointed you this way. Yeah, no, this is my, you know, fuck around channel for coding and stuff. So it's brand spanking new. So yeah, basically not a lot of people here. So just the way I like it. No, I'm kidding. It's good. Right. So I'm just about to push the button. Let's go. Okay. Stop messing around and get this thing going. So Docker Compose up. Detached mode, because I want my terminal back. Here we go. Creating the container. Boom, that was quick. It didn't need to download anything. What the hell? Did that even work? Alright, well, let's start a new window. See what's going on. 192.168.1.44 what the hell port did I give it? I can't remember. 23380 standard port, you know. Standard mess around port. Ah, beautiful. Hey, well, at least PHP's throwing something back. Choice. Nice site, Sam. Nice work. Looks good.
Yeah, that's pretty standard for me. Just spend my whole day in bugs, really, Steph.
Yeah. Well, so what is the problem here? The stream or file could not be opened. Ah, I know why that would be. Because classic Laravel permissions, indeed. Now, I can never remember what they're supposed to be, so if I just have a look here, we're gonna need to bring up a little bit of research here. Oh, go away. Set Microsoft. Who would set 777? I mean, look, in all honesty, I could do that for now because this is just running locally on a, you know, as a test. But nah, I gotta build this into the thing anyway. No, don't do that. Okay, all right, fine. rm/r/ I mean rm-r/ or whatever it is. Who would ever in their right mind set Microsoft Bing as their default search engine? Says me, who's using Microsoft Edge, but whatever, don't judge. Radio.
I judge hard on that.
Yeah. I mean, look, okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna talk myself into a hole if I.
But I was one of those weirdos, man, who held out on Internet Explorer when Chrome came out. So I don't have any sort of credibility here when it comes to my browser choice.
Netscape Navigator was the go, man. Netscape Navigator had some. That was great. Do you remember Netscape Navigator? Here we go. Going off on tangents now. That's what happens.
I didn't ever use it, to be honest.
Really? Oh, maybe. Oh, you're probably too young.
I knew you were going to throw that out there too. It was coming.
Probably. Well, okay. I can word it a different way if you like. I'm too old. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
It's like classic internet vibes. Right
I love
there,
it.
man.
I tell you what though, there are some there's some the indie web revival. I sent you that video. Might as well upgrade to Win 11 and make sure recall feature and OneDrive are enabled. Oh god. Well, you can see right here I've got OneDrive with a cross through it. I ain't hooking up to that anymore. But the Windows recall feature, remind me what that was again. That was scary, eh? That like recorded. Was that the thing that like? That wasn't the thing that like recorded everything you did, was it? I mean, probably does that anyway, right? But it was. Yeah. That's crazy. I don't know. Now I don't know what's going to happen with all this AI stuff. I mean, AI is amazing, but Microsoft just went like full send into AI, and they like released even hardware, like all these Copilot laptops and stuff like that. It's like, oh my god. Imagine buying one of those thinking like, it's, I don't know. Such a Microsoft Microslop, yeah. Anyway, Laravel permissions. See, this is how long it takes for me to do anything when I'm streaming. This is the problem, is I start talking about random shit. Okay, see that now. This as well. This annoys me, right? I don't want AI overview here. Okay. Sure, if I here we go. Most directories should have that. That should have that. I mean, that does look right. What I really want though is I should have just gone to Laravel docs, because that would tell me somewhere. Getting started. Deployment. Agentic. Tack on minus AI, yeah. There is I'm sure there's a way to turn that off by default anyway. There's something like that. Yeah, no, you might be right. I'm sure there's just a way to turn it off in Google and just in the cookies. And like remembers, but I don't know. Directory permissions. Boom, there we go. See? A little bit of clicking around. Laravel will need to write to the bootstrap cache and storage. So you should ensure the web server. I'm sure there was a... Okay. See, this is... Because I'm sure there's like a funkier command. Microsoft gets tired of Microslop, bans the word on its Discord, then locks the server after backlash. Really? Oh, man, that's classic. Classic. I'm sure there's like a there's a way to do this in like a it's the find files 755. All right, we'll go with that. We'll go with that. Oh shit! Oh my god. Okay. Right. So anyway, Deceiver. Am I allowed to say your real name as well? I just did basically, but there you go. So you don't? Do you mind? You don't mind, do you? Sure. Why not? Yeah, I'm pretty sure if anyone Googles Ben, it's not really going to narrow things down too much, is it? I suppose. Execute chmod 755, so we've got the executable permission for the directories, which is different to the files, so we're going to do that. There's a couple of you, yeah. One thing I love about Linux, password prompts. See, let's just make sure that actually worked. It did. Except for storage. Read, write. The mess. I'm not even sure what user this runs under in the Docker container. So, whatever. And then we'll go type file. And then we'll go, what is it, 644? 644? Sounds right, eh? Alright. We could just break everything. It's fine. Now, I'm not sure if I need to restart the container to make this take effect or not, but it certainly hasn't worked at the moment, so it's a lot of files. So I assume I did. I installed node modules, I installed Composer. So now we've just got to make the, I'm just going to go sudo chmod user group plus, what are we going to do? Write. We're going to go tac R for recursive, and we're going to go storage. Storage with an E. No such file or directory. Wait. CH. Sure. I'm sure that's how you do it, isn't it?
I have no idea.
Yeah, neither do I, apparently. I thought, where do you put the recursive mark? Oh, you got to do read and write. Okay, it's weird. Yeah, so that didn't do it recursively. Oh. Don't code when you're tired, folks. It's not good. There we go. It's the capital R, isn't it? That was the problem. Oh, can we write yet? No. Okay, fine. Let's go Docker compose down. Docker compose up. This probably still isn't right because it's still the wrong frickin' username and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I need to know what the hell user the server is actually using. So, or there's a way to mount scammers on? Nah, I don't know yet. Actually, oh no, I've got there's a local there's a New Zealand based company. Can't remember their name. What are they called? Drawing a blank. Nah, can't think of it. But there's a New Zealand hosting company, Voyager. That's it. Voyager, VPS, Voyager Virtual Servers. Yeah. So there's really cheap New Zealand virtual servers, which is kind of cool. Just real simple things. Yeah, they run in I think they run in Scribe's garage. Sam.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Now we're talking.
I think so. Auckland, New Zealand data center. Okay, well, that's just down the road from South Canterbury. So, yeah, but it's yeah. No, it's yeah, they're good. They're fine. So I don't know, something like that. How many servers host like this? That's good too.
That's good. That's good.
That's good. I like it. Yeah. Right. So Docker. What I can do is I can look up the processes here, and I can go Docker execute interactive TTY, and then I can go to the container name, which is Ussemble caddy 1, and I can run that. Oh, sick. Oh, okay, it doesn't have bash installed. That's nice. So I've got to use shell. Ooh, yuck. Okay. So how do we find out what user we're running as here? I can just go top and I can see Caddy's running as root on here, which, okay. PID 1. Okay. I need to look up Docker Compose. I could ask AI. So, okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's give AI. Yeah, that's, yep. Thanks, Sam. So let's see if we can give AI a little bit of a job here. All right. So Gemini 3.1 Pro, one of the leading models out there at the moment. You know, one of them. I mean, I haven't actually used Claude much here. See, Claude Opus costs you 3 times as much. Sucks. Sonnet's apparently pretty good. So, but 3.1 Pro, I've had some really good times with. We've hung out a lot. We're getting to know each other. It's been pretty nice. So, let's just chat. I'm having a problem where Laravel can't write to storage folder like it needs to. I've changed. I'm mounting, well, as you can see, I'm mounting the local file system into the Docker container in the caddy service. Is like what can I do to fix this? There we go. Okay. Let's see what happens.
Isn't the solution for anything Linux just to run it as sudo?
Yes. And as Deceiver already said before, just ch own everything to nobody, or no, sorry, everything to root, or everything to and chmod 777, and that way you're just gonna have no smooth sailing with permissions the whole way. Oh my god. I mean, that is quite funny, actually. That is quite hilarious. It is just wanting to do it to storage and bootstrap cache, which you know, it's not the worst thing in the world. All right. And I'm very tempted to do it because I just want to see this up and running for now.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna freaking do it. I'm just gonna give it full root access. Allow all commands in this session. Here we go. Configure auto approve. I'm just gonna allow. Oh wait. Ran that. Did it? Didn't even see it. One hidden terminal. It's not even showing me what it's doing anymore. I went ahead and modified the permissions for you to 777. This is a common and quick fix for local development. Update your Docker file to run PHP as the host user ID. Oh yeah, true. That's a good point. Yeah, how do you find out your user ID again? Etc. password file. ID, that's right. ID. UID. What? GUI? Gwit. Am I just typing in all these until one of them works? Cody, what? No, it's ID. It's just ID, isn't it? ID. Well, that's what that says anyway. ID says use the mess. There we go. 1,000. Look at that. Beautiful. Nah, you're good, man. Thanks. I was asking before, Cody, how is your project doing with your thing? So update your Docker file to run PHP and Kitty as the host. Change the host side owner of storage and cache. Yeah, but it's not. See, this is where it gets stupid. Like, it literally has access to this. It just said Caddy, and now it's like usually 82 for Alpine. Oh wait, Alpine Linux. Okay, I don't know. You're already a week past where you thought I should be. Welcome to the world. I mean, do I have to say it? I mean, that's software development, right? I was so stoked with myself lately. Like, I was like, man, I'm just killing it. So I'm a bit frustrated, but I can see the light. It drags me around. Can you relate to that at all, Sam, or Ben, or, you know?
Relate to what?
Being a week past where you thought you'd be, and frustrated about that, and burned out. Burned a week for premature optimization. Yeah, that's relatable. Wait, what am I doing?
Well, you just burn a whole day chasing your tail and realize it was just a HTML tag that wasn't closed properly. You know, crap like that.
Yeah. What was the one that I did yesterday that was so good? Oh man, it was so good. It was a really good one. I got to remember it. It'll come back to me. I think I've squashed the memory down because it was too painful. But yeah,
it's always the most simplest ones that you get stumped on for hours, I find. It's just facepalm. It's just such a facepalm when you figure it out.
Yeah, it's when I'm doing something wrong. It's like when I'm... Oh, no, I know what it was. Okay, I was working on a thing, right? You got events and stuff, and you got a start and a finish time for events, right? And I was working on trying to get these updates happening, getting pushed to the app straight away through WebSockets. And this was an all-day event that I was updating, and it said all day, Tuesday, the 3rd of March, or something like that. And I was fucking updating this event, and I'm like, I can see the data coming through. It's all logging out. I can see it doing the change. I can see it refreshing. I can see... Why is the date still stuck on the old date? I was changing the end date of the booking, not the start. That was a good one.
Nice.
That was a really good one. That was. Yeah, probably wasted about an hour on that. So, it's great.
It's too relatable.
I love it. It's just like, yeah, you know, I think like, in any other job, like, you know, if you spend an hour on something that simple, you'd probably get fired, you know, like, it's like, I literally just like spend $50 plus on you to do nothing, like to change the wrong date a few times and chase down bugs that actually aren't there. It's like, it actually makes me feel bad sometimes, but I can't think like that. I think, you know, you got to zoom out, think in the macro view.
It's like, it's not proportional. Like, I think of it like music, right? Like, you think of great artists that you like, great bands that you like. It's not like every hour they're producing a constant amount of quality music. Like, some of the best songs are written in a few minutes, and there's been garbage written over months. So it's like, it doesn't equate.
Yeah. No, yeah, that's right. I could just do nobody, no group. It turns out you're streaming to the wrong server. Yeah, there's shit like that, eh? Like, that's exactly it. That's exactly it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
That's good.
Yeah. Classic. Makes you feel better when you know you're not the only one who does it. It's when you say something like that to somebody and they're like, well, that was stupid.
I think you just get to the point where you own it, right? Instead of trying to pretend like you're that good, or you don't make stupid mistakes.
I'd never do that.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah.
I've got nothing to lose now. Don't really. I think it's once that imposter syndrome wears off. I mean, there probably is, but that would be a good podcast or a good thing to listen to, is like the world's top programmers, and just listen to like, what's the dumbest like mistake you've made, and I reckon it would be pretty illuminating and pretty relatable.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. I mean, there's gotta be that out there already. Like, there's heaps of like tech guy podcasts, you know. This music's keeping me alive right now. Okay. It's funny, you gotta search like high and low for copyright free music. And there's actually some really good copyright free music out there. I've created a new Docker file. Are you kidding? I didn't ask you to do that. Oh my god, it's going crazy here. We better check what it's actually done here. From PHP 8.4, run. Okay, add. Excuse me? What the hell is that? I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Being self-aware.
Within a Docker file to install the shadow package without caching the package index, keeping the final container. Okay. Utilities for user account management. Ah, there we go. I never knew that. All right, so there we go. Alpine Linux. Beautiful. Thanks. Sure, we'll keep that file and we'll keep that change. All right then. So actually, I guess it wasn't Caddy that I needed to change those permissions in. It was actually PHP FPM, because that's the thing that's actually doing the stuff. So all right then, rebuild your containers with the following. Oh, see, look at this. Rebuild your containers with the following command. Hello? I don't see no following command. But anyway, Docker compose down. But anyway, Cody, you'll get there, man. And I liked the look of what you're doing. And the idea. I mean, considering the idea was something I was doing, obviously, I like the idea as well. For you, Sam, he's building a thing where basically you like stream like this, and I'm yabbering on about all sorts of crap in a state of half-tired delirium with friends, but also I'm trying, you know, intersperse little bits of actual work in here in progress. But you think I'm going to go scrubbing through 2 hours of video trying to find those little nuggets? No. So, what if the VOD, you know, got transcribed, all the timestamps, and then it got assessed by AI and all put into a nice little, like, you know, meaningful sort of edits about little things that happened during the stream. Sort of like an auto stream shorts editor summarizer database query thingy.
Sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. It is.
It reminds me of, like, I know you've done more video work than me, and I mainly did photography, but that cull where you have to just go through, in my case, it would have been thousands of images. I guess in your case, it would have been hours of video. And yeah, it was pretty laborious. So if there's a way to make our AI overlords do that for us, that'd be sick.
Yeah. Absolutely. All right. I mean, that's the dream. That was the hey, it worked. Dag nabbit. PGSQL
database
could not find driver connection PGSQL. What does that mean?
Is PGSQL not installed?
Probably not.
Is it a PHP extension or something?
It is a PHP extension. I need the PG. See, I'm just fully vibing tonight. Eh? I'm going down the vibe path hard. This is good. I need the PGSQL PHP extension installed. Please.
There's probably a bunch of standard extensions you'd need, isn't there?
Yeah, probably. There is. I mean, there is. There's literally a list of them in the Laravel documentation.
Oh, there you go. Shows you how often I go configuring PHP.
Literally a list. Somewhere. Deployment? Yeah, there it is. But do you see PGSQL on there? No. Oh, you're going to need to rebuild your Docker container again. I've updated your PHP Docker file. All right, let's see what you've done then. One file change.
Oh, would it be like a PDO driver that would have the...
There you go. PDO, PGSQL, PGSQL. PostgreSQL dev. Oh, yep. Okay, that's that weird. All right, fair enough. Okay.
You're going to need... Oh, it's all right.
What?
Oh, no. I was just trying to think of, like, the headaches I had getting this up, but I mean, I think we just see where you go, because I don't want to add more headaches to your process.
Oh man, I'm being my own headache right now. It's fine. I'm so tired. Still having to rely on faithful MariaDB. Oh man, we have had, honestly, like, I'm not being sarcastic here. I think we both actually come to love Postgres.
Yeah.
It's really powerful. It's so good. It's so good. MariaDB is great.
JSON support, so good.
Oh, the JSON support is next level. That's a game changer. If you use it right, Sam? If you use it properly.
Yeah. There. I mean, you know, if the column is text, it's not really going to work like JSON, is it? I guess.
No.
You know, there is that. Yeah. I do miss Maria though. I mean, like it just obviously like MySQL really, and that's I think so many of us learnt on that stack and
Oh,
are so comfortable with it.
well, it's not like it's a kiddie stack, like it's used in production all the time, you know. But Postgres is like, and I mean the big thing with Postgres as well was the scalability and the ability to you know, have replicas and shard it out more than. You know, every time I say shard, I always have to make sure I say the D properly because it sounds like shart sometimes, you know. But, you know, whatever. I'm sure I had a sound pad here somewhere, but I don't think I've got a fart sound on there. What have I got? Oh, no, nothing's working. Brilliant. Good stuff. Sick. Yeah, okay. Oh, whatever.
There's a lot of other good stuff in Postgres though. Like when you start thinking about it and you spend the time, it's like there's a lot that it does that Maria's not so crash hot at. And you learn your workarounds and you have your ways of dealing with it. But it's nice when all that stuff is taken care of at the database level for you. But that's what I like a lot about Postgres. Is you're not having to sort of cast so much inside of PHP to do stuff. You can just do it raw on the database. I love that.
Gotta love raw dogging it, yeah. It's good.
Oh yeah.
Automod didn't like your take on sharding. What? I didn't say anything get delayed. Oh no, when it blocked the word junkies. I'm going to allow this. Allow. There we go. I should mod you guys, eh? Actually, I should just mod all of you.
Even know what that does.
Yeah.
There's been a lot. I think the last time I modded a chat room would have been with Deceiver when we were running like online radio best part of a decade ago.
So,
That's the last time I did anything like this.
yeah, that's cool. Database Ussemble does not exist. Yes! That means we're connected. That's a good thing. That's a good sign. That is a good sign. Oh, check this out.
That's a great sign.
Check this out. This is cool. Oh, Jesus, struggling a bit. Okay, there we go. Don't know what happened there. It's the green dragon in from Lord of the Rings. It's good, eh?
It's pretty good.
It's my dinner.
It's a lot of food, man.
Help yourself. Plenty. Anyway. Right, enough pissing around, okay? Time to do some work. Jeez. PHP, what do I do here? Did you give me some instructions of how to install this?
Alright. I think I can help from here a little bit.
Okay.
So you just got to make yourself the database first of all.
Oh, crumbs. Okay.
Then you can. You have to do 2 steps though, and this one always stitches me up. It's one of those stupid bug things, but yeah, create yourself the assembled database first.
Tempting. Tempting. I want to do everything inside VS Code.
You do, don't you? You really have a penchant for that.
Oh, look at this text. This is great. I'm going to get rid of some of these sidebars because it's annoying. Host. Okay. So host. I don't think I'm exposing the ports. I'll expose my ports. Wait. It sounds really horrible, actually. Okay. Let's expose 15432. We're gonna have to Docker compile. Man, the amount of times I type these freaking commands, I swear, I hate it. Okay, so we'll expose that, and then we can connect to that on that port. Username, no idea. I think I did something stupid like Ussemble123. Yeah, sounds right. Ussemble. Beautiful. Database. Well, it should have created the database, but I don't know.
I think it does. At least if it does, I don't think I've ever got it to do.
Maybe it doesn't. Oh no, it probably doesn't actually, because like when did I ever tell it to do that? DB host? Oh wait, database Postgres DB. DB. Why did I set it to DB host? It must. Oh, it would have created it called database. It wasn't not what. Okay, that was the wrong environment variable. Dang it. Oh well, whatever. We'll just roll with it for now. We'll just call that database. There we go. Save. You haven't created any connection. What? Oh, cool. Good stuff. Connect. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Yes. We're in. Hack the mainframe. Here we go. Right. New database. Create database. Assemble. I mean, I don't know if I need to give it its, you know, collation and data types and all that sort of stuff. I'm not going to bother with that. Just going to roll with this. Right, now let's go connection to database. Assemble does not exist. Yes. Okay, now it's loading that database. Right, Sam, you're up.
Yeah, got to run that install PostGIS. So that create extension PostGIS command.
No, it's already.
Otherwise,
it's already done.
Sure on that database?
I'm pretty. Yes. Oh no, not on that database. Sorry. So, okay. No, you're right. You're right.
That will stitch you up.
It will stitch me up. So I've got to go new query, and I'm going to go. Where is that command?
I sent it to you in another chat system.
It's not in the GitHub.
Sorry, I was leaving this to
What's the other chat system?
The one owned by your friend Zuck.
Oh yeah, gotcha. Sick. Yeah, okay. So we're just gonna go like create extension, if not exact. Oh look. No, can you just do the first one? Thanks. Thanks. Here we go. Done. Wait, was that in the right database? It was in the right database. Okay, cool.
The migrations will fail if it's not there. So.
All right, well, it is now. So, public spatial refsys. There we go.
Nice. Now you can migrate.
Now I can migrate. Okay, so PHP. Whoa. PHP artisan migrate. Is that it?
Your body is in the way, but I have faith.
Oh, sorry. I can't. Damn it! I've locked everything.
Send it, man. Just full send. It's all you can do.
No, that's not right either. Yeah. Why can't I drag myself around? This is lame.
Sudo yourself.
I've got a suit. Yeah. Okay, that's weird. I don't know why I can't drag myself around. It's just not letting me drag. What a drag. Oh, there we go. Whee! Yeet. Okay. Right.
That's it. I think that's it.
All right. That. Wait. Everything's backwards. Nothing makes sense. Okay, yeah. That command. Right, we're going to run that. Sick. You're running 836. I'm not running a late enough PHP version. What? Are you serious? Where the hell do I specify that then? PHP FPM. PHP Docker file. Oh, what did you do, Gemini? 8.4. Wait. Huh? Oh, I'm an idiot. Yeah, that's why. So I can actually, I think, ignore platform requirements. I think you go, no, that's not how you do it, isn't it? Is it? I don't know. PHP.
It's a composer thing, I think.
Yeah, it is a composer thing. Composer. Because that does that? No, I don't even have Composer installed. Okay, well, what I could do then is just install PHP 8.4. Or I could go into the PHP container and run it from there. That's probably the best way to do it. So I probably don't need to look this up. Docker execute it Ussemble PHP FPM 1 whoops /bin/shell. I'm going to assume that it doesn't have bash installed. There we go. PHP /v 8.4 baby. Other than migrate. Boosh. Mighty boosh. Okay.
Right, I've got another command for you.
Oh, before I refresh? Okay, yep.
Oh, you can refresh. Like, yeah.
I'm going to refresh.
Go for it.
Damn it. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Hey.
We're up.
Sick.
We're up. We're gold.
You're not in the latest
Look
version.
at these ladies having a jolly old time, eh? I want to have a jolly old time. Oh, I like this room. This is good. It's like one of my...
the latest version, man.
What? Oh, yeah, you've
You're
done
on
some...
like,
yeah, I am on... I'm
a
on...
few
Yeah,
commits
all right.
behind.
All right. I'm just one commit behind, I'll have you know. Yeah, jeez. Jeez. Oh, we got to do some work on the git ignore file as well. Okay. What am I doing?
So the next one is this one. So we can actually, start to log in and see some stuff.
Oh, sick. Okay. PHP. And I'm good on the old branch or the old thing here.
Yeah. The new branch is just copy.
Right, roger.
New commit, sorry.
Do you have the right JSON file to pass? I don't think so because I don't know what it's talking about.
I think it's in the repo, so let's just say yes.
Okay, send it.
It'll either work or it won't.
Well, apparently it didn't. So. Yep. I don't know what JSON file we're talking about here.
Oh, so if you go no, I put some hints there because I thought about this. So
okay.
Run the command again, but say no. You don't.
Oh.
There you go.
Look at that. At storage at private folder. Australian postcodes. Sure. Oh, this is a fast website. Jeepers creepers. It's taking its damn time. I wonder if I can log into this. I logged in ages. Oh, there we go. Right, JSON. That's what I want, hey?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, actually, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go right-click, Save As. And you can just go in my Downloads folder. Thank you very much. And then we will go Files, Storage, App, Private, Australian postcodes.json. Why is it get ignored? Oh, yeah, I suppose we don't really want it.
Yeah.
And it's actually still copying because it is very large. Oh, I don't know why that wording's funny to me. Anyway, no, let's not open that. Let's close all this other crap. Okay, let's try this again. Ready to try again? Yes. Nice command line options, Sam. Thanks.
I tried to think ahead.
Did that do anything? Or did it crash?
That looks like it may have crashed.
It could be permissions again.
Could be. I'd say that's very likely.
Storage/app/private. Yes. No. Read write. Oh well, we're just gonna friggin' go. There we go. See, like that. Full send. Exactly. No time for messing around here. How do I know if it's done anything? This isn't looking.
Oh, you'll know because there's like a progress bar and it takes ages.
Okay.
Well, not ages. But
Well, it's not taking ages, so.
I think it's crashing out because it can't open up that.
But it's there. Okay, so well, let's have a look. Where is this command? How can I see this command?
Console commands, import locations.
Console commands, import locations. All right, it's ready to try again. Yes, storage JSON file. See, it doesn't even get there. Like, let's just do some good old fashioned bloody echo. Yep. Storage. Okay, hang on. So we can go into the little artisan tinker. Now, pretty sure that I'm not able to. Wait, that's lying.
Is there that sim linking stuff you're supposed to do with Laravel?
Sim linking? Maybe.
I just have this like something's reminding me, and
Okay.
I don't think I have that problem because I use Herd. But I swear there was something about setting that up. Let's see what I can see.
Optimization. See, Franken PHP would be pretty cool to use as well, actually. Just to throw another thing in the mix there that I can't think about right now. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sim linking. Yeah. Yeah. Well, on the plus side, the site's up and running. That's good. Well, sort of.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh,
If
okay.
you go to the old docs under getting started, and then directory structure, there's a thing there that says the storage app public directory should
Directory.
create a symbolic link. PHP artisan storage link.
Oh yeah, that may. Okay, sure. Wait, what thing is that under?
Getting started and directory structure on the left.
I got directory. Oh, structure. Okay.
Oh yeah, this is hectic because the video is like lagging a good 5
Oh
seconds
yeah, no,
behind
sorry.
the chat.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then,
My bad.
if you scroll down to the storage directory,
Oh yeah.
there's like a thing in there about it.
Oh, public storage. Yes, sure. Okay. I wonder if I can do it from here.
This isn't in public, but
Oh, okay. We'll see that. That's that ain't right because there's nothing in there.
it's in the private folder.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, okay.
Which seems to work fine for me. So I don't know if that's because of a herd thing or.
Well, tell you what it probably is. In fact, I guarantee you I know what it is. How do you see the extensions again? I just want to see the extensions. I can go PHP
like PHP info or something, isn't it?
Yeah, and it will give me bloody hell. M. That's it. I knew there was something. Alright, so what I have to do is actually, because there's probably a bunch of freaking ones that I haven't actually installed, to be honest.
There seems like there's a lot. This is not the greatest list, but...
Wait, did you just message me?
They're all the ones that Herd comes with, which might just be an easy start.
Jesus.
I don't know.
Okay.
There is like so many in there.
Ugh. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty like, as long as I got these, alright? So we got C type, we got curl, we got DOM, we got file info, we got filter, we got hash, we got MB string, we've got OpenSSL, we got PCRE, PDO, session, we do indeed, tokenizer, oh yeah, you know it, and XML. Okay, well, it's not those then. What else have we got here? BC Math. Okay.
Strange it's not erroring out.
It is strange. It's just silently failing, which is worrying. So I'm going to go back to my little, I don't have any PHP extensions installed, which is why I can't see this stuff properly. I got all the Dart stuff. I don't want that. Go away. So PHP IntelliFence. What I want. In fact, I'm just going to add that to the workspace recommendations. And that.
Oh, what have you? E&V? I'm wondering if there's anything
Oh,
weird in there.
yeah. You know, that's probably a thing. I'm just going to install these. Who cares? IntelliSense.
And I don't think so, but
ENV?
I don't think there's going to be anything in there, is there?
Ah.
By default, the local driver is like the default disk. So, which is storage app private.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
here.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, the default file system disk is local. You haven't set file system disk in your ENV, have you?
I've set it to local.
That's good. That's what it should be.
That's what it is.
So,
All right. Import locations. Here we go. Illuminate. Support storage. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so now we can go PHP Artisan Tinker. We can chuck that in there. We can go JSON. And go Australian postcodes.json. See what happens. And it crashes Tinker as well. That's bizarre, you know? It's bizarre, isn't it?
like a memory thing?
I don't know. Hey, now you're thinking. How do you see? Okay, Linux.
You just call files on
error.
storage files, and that might show you if it can even read the directory.
What I want. If it's going to run. Operation not permitted. Well, screw you. Sudo not found. Yeah, right, whatever. for Debian-based systems. What's Alpine? Is Alpine Debian? I don't know. Can't remember. No such file or directory. Probably not then. Journal for System D systems. Well, it won't be a System D system because it's frickin'... It's a container. So... What the hell? Nothing. Sorry, what did you say, Sam? Before?
I said in Tinker that you could call just storage files and see if it can even read a directory.
Yes.
It's just static method.
I can just do that, eh? Does that work? Undefined function, no.
No, you need the class.
Okay, fine. I did have the class. Here it is. And what am I calling? Storage files.
Yeah, it's a static call on storage.
And then just with no arguments or what?
I think so. Yeah, let's just see. Let's see. That should be the base directory of it, I think. I don't know.
Well, there it is.
Okay, that's a good start, so it can see it.
Yeah, can.
But I don't like reading it.
Don't like the old JSON call. So what if I like? Okay, I'm gonna try something. Try something a little bit crazy here. You just wanna bear with me for a second. It's gonna get a little bit wild, a little bit out of control. You know how we like to do that sometimes. We create a new file and we're gonna call it crazy.json. And we're gonna go.
That is crazy.
And we're gonna go Sam, and we're gonna go is crazy and is actually scribe in disguise. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go, anyway, but Alpine is a small Linux distro, often uses the base for Docker images. Yeah, no, I mean, I use Alpine a lot, but I don't know, have no idea. Is it actually based on another Linux distro? Like, is it Debian-like or Ubuntu-like or? Well, that's a bit stupid because Ubuntu's Debian-like and sort of, I don't know. Anyway, whatever. I'm not a Linux guru, that's for sure. We all know that by now. Crazy.j. Oh, wait, what's this? I just feed it the file name, eh? Well, I think you might be right. Now, okay, so let's... It's apt, so close to Ubuntu. Is it apt-based? Yeah, okay. Uses apt. But very surface level. Yeah. It's great though. It's like, isn't it like 5 megabytes or something? Like it's like, yeah, 5 megabytes or something for an operating system to run some of this. It's great. I remember breaking my brother's computer when I was about like maybe 10 years old or something, because I tried to install Windows 3.1 on a floppy drive on a 1.44 megabyte floppy disk. Just about did it too, but unfortunately I didn't understand that if you just copy things over, it's still referring to the registry on the hard drive and everything. So it like totally screwed everything up. And yeah, and back in those days it wasn't quite as, I don't know. Anyway, oh, and then the other thing I did to my brother's computer was, you know how the voltage selectors on the back of power supplies and stuff? Yeah, I was like, oh, I wonder what this orange switch does. And I remember flicking it over to 110 volts and it goes poof, and like, yeah, a whole bunch of smoke came out the back. It was like, oops.
Oh,
that's
no.
good. Yeah, it's great. Anyway, good times. That's how I learned. That's how I learned everything I know about tech. It's by flicking switches I shouldn't. That's how I learn most things in life, actually. Anyway, Australian postcode. So yeah, we might have a problem with memory. That was a good thought, or some kind of. It's called hacking. Exactly. Yep. Oh, I need that as a meme video, actually, on my list of meme videos, because I don't have enough. I've only got this. That's kind of not really in context to anything. But yeah, I need this video. Hacking GIF meme. Meme. There's the one where he's running around the shop. Like. Oh, come on. Can't be that far down the list. You see, there it is. Hacking in progress. Yeah. That's what I need. Love the trench coat. Anyway, what are we doing? That's right. Memory, and I don't know how to do this, so it's probably something in PHP ini, but I'm going to delegate this to my good friend Gemini. And I'm going to say, hey Gem, we're having a problem, I'm going to leave it like that, problem, with loading in a JSON file using Laravel's storage facade. I tried on a smaller file, crazy JSON, and it was fine. But when using Australian postcodes, I probably shouldn't actually attach that file to the context because that'll totally screw it. But when using a large, now how large is large here? What are we talking?
22 meg.
22 megabytes. Wow. Using a whopping 22 megabyte JSON file. That's a lot of text. It crashes. Silently.
And it's just one country as well. So I don't know what we're going to do about like New Zealand.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we've got a lot of locations, man. Like,
it sounds like a U problem though, which is great.
Yeah. Sounds like a Ussemble problem. I mean, Ussemble, whatever. I tried on a smaller file. That sounds like I was wearing it. And it was fine. But when using a whopping 22 megabyte JSON file, it crashes silently. What gives? What might be causing this? And fix it for me, if you can. Thanks, love you.
Don't be too forceful. It'll remember. It'll come back and strike you down.
I say it's getting so silly time now. Like, it's like, I'm getting so tired, I'm getting silly. This always happens. I'm currently focused on the cryptic failure. Specifically when Laravel's storage facade interacts. Scrutinizing. Whoa, set memory limit. Nice. Just turn off the memory limit. Just get that out of there. Get that out of the way. Just fuck it right off. Speed. Yeah, that's it. Turn it off.
Look, to be fair, once it's in your database, it's in your database.
Oh, yeah, no, it's fair. The simplest and most common fix is to temporarily remove it. Yeah, it's good.
I would only do that in production.
Oh, well, look, hey, it's given me a someone else to clean. Yeah, well, I mean, hey, Cody, it's learned on millions of coders operating under tight timeframes that just needed to get shit working. So in that sense, it's great because it knows how to get shit working. You know, it'll
It's the
just do
story
it.
of our life, Steph.
It is really. I mean, yeah. Um,
I'm still waiting for that someone to come in and clean it up, though.
it makes the user happy. Well, there's that too. Actually, it's the sycophantic nature. Oh my god. Apparently, I need more viewers according to this bot. Goodbye. Always one every stream is a bot. They just hunt out. Get out of it. Get out of it. All right, let's go. Let's keep this. Import locations. I don't need to do a reload. I don't think. Okay, I always do this. Does anyone else do this? Where they're like, oh, I think I typed this command in like really recently, and then you end up like pushing up arrow like 40 million times to get there. Would have been quicker just to type it again. Anyway, do you have that? Yes, I do.
Boom. Boom.
Nailed it.
Nice.
Got my green screens.
That's great.
I actually, okay, so story about these. There are actually two of them, and they are from my place. I cleaned out the garage and I found, you know, those pull-up advertising banners that you can get. Yeah, I found two of them in the garage. It was for some thing that bears no interest to me whatsoever. So I was like, fuck, because you can buy these things from like Elgato for like $350 like each or something like that, and I was like, I'll just go to Spotlight and buy some green material and make my own, and I did, and now I've got two pull-up green screens that do a bloody good job.
You should try the corridor key, their green screen key.
What? Corridor?
The Corridor Crew key, like Corridor Crew, the like VFX channel on YouTube, they released like an AI keying thing, and it's like fantastic.
Oh no, I mean I can do that. I can do that in OBS. It's got a AI, but it's just not as good. It's just like you get these weird like things around the outs, like artifacts and stuff around the outside. It's two pull-up green screens that you absolutely trip over every time you turn around. Yeah, pretty much. You know, kick. Yeah, stub my toe on, whatever. Yeah, all that stuff. No, they're great actually. I like it. Yeah, it's good. They've done a good job. Done a good job.
Looks like you're tearing open the code. It's kind of funny.
Yeah. Cool. I like it. Okay. Importing complete.
DB Seed. Artisan DB Seed.
Artisan DB Seed. Okay, PHP Artisan DB Seed. Oh my god, I gotta go to bed. Okay. Local dev seeder. Beautiful. Anything else?
That's it. Let's log in.
Let's freaking log in. Actually, you know what? I'm going to download the latest changes.
That'd be nice.
That'd be nice. So don't mind me. I'm just going to git stash. Yeah. Wait, what? Why didn't you stash those files to... Oh, it's because they're not added. Get stash pop. Okay, whatever. So we're going to go get adds dot get stash. Boom. There we go. Man, I'm such a elite hacker.
So elite.
Such elite hacker. Boom. Yeah, I've really got to get that as a... I don't know. Anyway, got to get a bunch of hacking videos for memes. Anyway, I'm a streamer at heart and a coder second. And above all else, 100% cringe. No, I'm kidding. Well, maybe I am. Okay, right. Let's go get pull. Get stash. Pop. Boosh. This music's putting me in a good mood too, actually. It's quite good background music. PHP. Oh, do I need to do a configuration? Oh, no, whatever.
Nothing. It's just blade views.
Yeah, righto. Righto. Did that do anything? Is that the latest copy? How do I know?
Yeah, you need to do a build, like a Vite build or whatever you're using.
A Vite?
Or a build, like just an asset build.
Yeah. Okay, well, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go Docker compose down, because we love typing that, and then we're going to go npm run build. Huh? Oh yeah, that's because I'm on the new system. No, oh, I'm gonna have to. Sorry, I'm gonna have to do. Okay, so see, this is where I could do like this is how. Hey YouTube, this is how you install Node Version Manager in Ubuntu Linux. NVM. Remember to like and subscribe, and give me lots of money on Patreon. Version manager. Installing in Docker. No. Installing. No. Not troubleshooting. Jesus. I'm clicking before I've even read stuff. Okay. Let's go. Installing. That's it. Oh yeah, that's right. It's real easy. It's just a... Do I have curl? I do have curl. I will have curl. Of course I've got curl. Who said I didn't have curl? Alright, then we're gonna go export. Oh yeah, we gotta add all this to blimmin' bash rc. So I can do that. I can't remember the append thing in Linux. How do you do that? Append to file Linux. I think it's the double caret. Is it the double? It is the double caret. Look at that, I'm so late. Okay. I actually don't know. I've said that. I don't know how to do this bit. I think maybe I can select all of that. And I can just go like that, and I can go like that, and I can go like that, and go .bashrc. Or I've just completely broken my Linux installation. Oh, wait, it did it already? Huh? I'm confused. Is that... Did I already have NVM installed? No. Oh, man. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's happening. I'll just go like this. Okay, then we'll go source. And then we'll go NVM nivm. Oh, for God's sakes. NVM.shell, that's... We'll just start a new terminal and see what happens. Okay, forgot. I hate this. Stupid. script clones attempts to add the source lines. Oh, it did it already. My bad. My bad. Alright, well, alright, fine. In that case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cause it to reinstall. So we're going to go... Sorry, this is a wild sidetrack I'm on right now, but I've got to do it, you know. Okay, just type in the damn command. Nano dot bash us. Let's go down to the bottom. Control, right, Control X, and then we're going to do the old... Surely it can't be that many up arrows until that command. It is. Why is it? Just copy the damn command. Okay. Okay, there it is. Yeah. Alright, let's source that then. Let's see if it works this time. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. nvm install LTS. Right, you follow that? Good. Okay, whoops, exit, quit. Huh? Control C. Control C. There we go. If in doubt, Control C it out. Making the CI happy once in a while is nice. Stop seeing red or yellow staring back at you, judging. But then you get reminded the bad task just didn't trigger. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Gotta love CI. Well, we don't use CI. We're not brave enough for that, are we, Sam? Continuous integration. No way. We need to cling on to that control. Can't just have things rolling out willy-nilly. Mainly because
did you see that video of Taylor Otwell like bug fixing live on stage and he didn't touch any code? Is it the latest Laracon?
Oh really?
Yeah, he's got like a claw bot or something set up, and it opened the issue, patched the issue, like reviewed the issue, merged the pull request, deployed it.
Yeah. Look, I'm going to be honest. I've done that a few times as well, because you can do, and I've been giving it a bit of shit tonight, but it's actually pretty good sometimes. Like you can go, like a cloud, and you can hand off a task.
Oh.
Yeah, and I mean I don't know what did you say he was using? Not Clawbot.
Yeah, he was using like a bunch of stuff with the Laravel stack.
Yeah, right.
It was pretty cool to watch.
Yeah. So I mean, this thing.
Nightwatch raised an issue or something, and then he's like bot picked it up and patched it. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. So like with this one, you can I don't have source control on here. Wait, what? Yeah, I do have source control. What am I talking about? Jeez. We don't have issues. We don't have issues though, do we? Issues.
On the repo, we've got nothing on there.
Nah, because okay, well, yeah, what you can do is you can right-click on an issue and go delegate to agent, and then it'll go online. It'll create a new branch. It'll start working on it in the background, and then it'll tell you when a pull request is ready. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and I can get it right, like I don't know. Gets it right 90% of the time, 60% of the time. You know, it's pretty good. Now what's this about? Why do I not have permission? What? Am I gonna have to run this from?
I feel like of all the years I've ever seen you and Ben do server stuff, I feel like most of it is bogged down in permission hell. Even other people I've worked with, it seems to always be permissions are the like Achilles heel.
It's reasonably accurate, I would say. I'm nowhere near like Ben would be. Yeah, Ben's a number of years ahead of me with Linux familiarity. So I'm still kind of half fucking around. I just know enough to be dangerous, you know. So permission problem.
Sudo.
Sudo it. That's it. 777 chmod. I do have sudo, but I don't think that's a good idea because it's then going to run as sudo and it's going to build everything as. So, yeah, I don't know why it doesn't have permission. What storage? Root. Does the link have to be owned by root? Yeah. 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 Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm really starting to get quite tired now. I might have to get off soon. What a pussy. No. So, okay, let's run a sudo. Let's just do it for shits and giggles. I can always delete stuff. npm not found. Yeah, sick. It's not installed in npm's in sudo scope. Alright, that's a problem. Let's ask Gemini. Fuck. I'm really leaning on old Gems tonight, aren't I? Let's go. Why am I getting... Okay, let's start a new chat. Let's refresh that context. Why am I getting... when running npm run build? Oh, that's an agent mode. Whoops. I should have just had it in ask mode. In ask mode. No, yeah. It's not even funny. Well, thanks for hanging out, you guys. You know, this was fun. We got a website running, sort of. I'm not going to go
You can still log into it, actually. You just wouldn't be able to use the...
Oh. Okay, well, let's do that then. That'll be fun. Oh, no, I can't. Probably because the container's not running. Sudo chown reinstall your node modules. Run the build command. All right, we'll give this a crack. We'll give this a little crack. Insert into terminal. That was suspiciously fast, but that's okay. Reinstall your node modules. All right. I should probably read the commands before I just push enter. Something about letting yeah, I don't know. Anyway.
What's the worst that could happen?
Well. Okay. And then try it again. Oh, it fucking worked. Jesus Christ. Oh, slap me sideways and call me Gemini. It bloody worked. Okay. Docker compose up /d. Oh, look at that. Look at that orange. That's just searing the eyeballs. That's great. I love it. You can even see the
good, isn't it?
Orange. I look like freaking Donald Trump. It's great.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
sam@example.com.
Bro, don't give away your passwords.
I think I might have made one for you as well.
Oh.
Password. Here's password.
Of course it is. What's that old meme? What's the old meme? The old one? Was that Hunter 2 or something? Is that Hunter? I love this. I fucking love this. This is the best. Do you know this?
No.
Oh, this is a classic. This is absolute classic. Oh, come on, just give me the meme. I just want to see the original meme. Know your meme. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh, fuck's sake. Sorry. Okay, can you read that? Yeah.
Yes.
I just love it. Absolute classic.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. Absolute classic.
We should bury an Easter egg like that in the like a console log or something.
Yeah, yeah.
When the site boots.
Yeah, it's great. It's a good meme. An oldie but a goodie. Alright, let's go. Log in. Oh. Yes. Oh, that's a good spot. That's a good spot to
Sick.
end it tonight, I reckon. Hell yeah. We got a Dockerized sort of, I mean, initial step anyway. Look how fast it is. Boosh, 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 boom, boom. So quick. Lightning fast. Oh yeah.
There should be some discussions that have got stuff on them too. Well, it's like made up data, but I think there's a couple of discussions there that have got things.
Look how fast that is. I love it. Jesus, you got a lot in here. Okay, where should I go? 22 discussions. Here we go. I am Sir. Oh, anyone else love walkies? Hell yeah, I love walkies.
I think the one at the end of it has got stuff, but yeah, it should work.
Whoopsies.
That's like literally what I'm doing when I get off this call from you, is taking the big golden
Oh,
quiver for a walk.
screw you, man. Oh, fine.
Oh yeah.
Fine.
Hell, yeah.
Oh.
And try and character substitute to be a naughty boy.
There you go. Oh, there's some profanity in there. Flag that.
Think like a youth pastor and it'll work.
Yeah. No, that's not good. That's not good. I don't think that sets the bar anywhere near where we want to be. All right. Awesome. Well, it's running. It's running, and it's not even 10 o'clock at night yet for me, so that's great. Fantastic. Well, thanks for hanging out, man. And
cool. It's cool to see this.
Yeah. I don't know who else is still asked. I mean, is Cody still in chat here somewhere away? I don't know, whatever. Yes, thanks for hanging out if you are, man. That's awesome to see you here again. And Ben, long time, man. We gotta all shoot the shit one day soon, I guess. You know, catch up. You know, assemble. I guess you could say. Yep. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go back into my midnight feast before I go to bed, and then yeah. All right. I guess I'll be talking to you tomorrow, Sam.
I think there's a high likelihood.
Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't around much today. I did a bit of work, but I didn't really sign in to Slack much. But yeah, I should be.
It's a bit slack, you could say.
Oh, you could say that. You could. All right. Well.
All right.
I'll play my outro, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Later.
Well, I enjoyed tonight's entertainment here on Network 2. Tomorrow night's lineup looks good too, with Family Ties at 8, followed by Cheers, then LA Law at 9. Have a good week. This is Kent Robertson wishing you a very good night.